So, we have here today a very unique car, among others. It's a KTM Crossbow, and what makes this car unique is that actually when KTM decided to make a sports car, they took some components from race cars combined with street legal cars. So they made this carbon fiber monocoque, and they used double wishbones front and back mounted straight on the chassis. They also have exposed components like suspension, wishbones, the exhaust system. They used big aero components, so they combined all those with a 2-liter turbocharged Audi engine, and the specific model is a manual 6-speed gearbox. So what they managed to come up with, it's a very lightweight, under 800 kilograms sports car with 300 horsepower in the engine. Actually, KTM took this car for the history out in the Nürburgring. With the first basic model, they made over 8-minute lap, but with this one, the R version, they had 7-minute 25 record. I think the competitors of this one, it's the Ariel Atom, the Caterhams, and of course, as you see behind me, the Radicals. It is actually heavier than all the others, but very close range. I think it wins in reliability. After all, it's a street legal car that you can drive every day on the road. We made a custom setup with a track-focused alignment to match the driver's needs for a series racing circuit. Also, we made custom padding for his seat, so he can sit comfortably in the car while driving fast in the curves of series racing circuit. We also used AR1 semi-slick tires. We also have this car in track support every time hits the track for a track day. So we take care of fuel, tire pressures and everything else, and the driver can focus on driving, lap times and having fun. The car handles amazing in the track. I mean, I was overwhelmed driving it. It's so much fun. I mean, I had like a couple of sessions and I don't want to stop driving it. So, big thanks to the owner that he trusted us and handed the key of this KTM Crossbow to have a few laps around series racing circuit, to test the car and make this video for you to enjoy. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't already, leave us a comment below, and I see you in the next video.